such countries and regions as Europe, America, Middle East, Southeast Asia. We also welcome OEM, ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Since its inception, always adhere to market-driven, to product quality as enterprise life, research and innovation in high-tech products as the goal to design a unique, full-featured product features. Participate in market competition. Meanwhile, the business English proficiency of foreign trade personnel, equipped with computer networks and other modern office facilities for the whole process of trade offers quality and efficient services, has been highlighted.